Have you ever wondered why some automatic cars easily cross 300,000 miles, while others start having transmission problems before 100,000? The answer is usually not bad luck, it's bad driving habits. According to several transmission repair surveys in the US, automatic transmission replacement is one of the most expensive repairs a driver can face. And here is the shocking part. Many of those failures are caused by simple mistakes drivers make every single day without even realizing it. In this video, we are going to reveal the destructive mistakes you should never do when driving an automatic car. Some of these mistakes may look harmless, but they can silently destroy your transmission before reaching 100,000 miles. Let's get started. Number 9. Driving with your foot resting on the brake pedal. This is an incredibly common mistake among automatic drivers, especially beginners. Many people lightly rest their left foot or even their right foot on the brake pedal while driving without realizing it. Even slight pressure can partially engage the brake pads against the rotors. This creates unnecessary friction, heat, and premature wear. Some brake pads that should last 50,000 miles end up wearing out in half that distance because of this habit alone. Mechanics often diagnose warped brake rotors caused by drivers unknowingly applying slight brake pressure for long periods. But the problem gets worse in modern cars because the vehicle's computer may detect simultaneous throttle and brake inputs, confusing stability systems and reducing fuel efficiency. Professional drivers use one-foot driving techniques because it improves reaction time and prevents accidental braking. Keeping your foot completely away from the brake unless needed protects the brakes, improves fuel economy, and reduces unnecessary stress on the drivetrain. Number 8. Shifting from reverse to drive without fully stopping. This is one of the most common habits and also one of the most destructive. Many drivers quickly shift from reverse to drive while the car is still slightly rolling, thinking it saves time. But internally, your transmission is still rotating in the opposite direction. When you force a gear change mid-motion, it creates a violent shock load on the planetary gear system and clutch packs. According to transmission repair data, this habit alone can reduce transmission lifespan by nearly 30 to 40% over time. Modern automatic transmissions are designed for smooth engagement, not sudden directional changes. Even a slow roll of 2 to 3 kilometers per hour can cause long-term wear. Mechanics often compare this to slamming gears in a manual car. Over thousands of cycles, this stress builds into internal damage that you won't notice until one day your transmission starts slipping or jerking. Always bring the car to a complete stop. That 1-second pause can literally save you thousands of dollars. Number 7. Shifting into park while the vehicle is still rolling. This mistake may sound small, but it can seriously damage transmission components over time. Many drivers shift into park before the vehicle fully stops because they are impatient during parking maneuvers. The problem is that the parking pawl inside the transmission is designed to lock stationary gears, not moving ones. When the car is still rolling even slightly, that tiny metal component absorbs all the motion force suddenly. Over time, repeated abuse can chip or weaken the parking mechanism. Mechanics sometimes hear loud grinding noises caused by damaged parking pawls from improper parking habits. In severe cases, the vehicle may even roll unexpectedly if the parking lock becomes damaged. Transmission teardown specialists often identify parking pawl damage in vehicles driven carelessly in urban stop-and-go conditions. Professional drivers always follow a smooth sequence. Stop completely, apply the brake firmly, engage the handbrake, and then shift into park. 1 extra second of patience can save thousands in future repairs. Number 6. Accelerating aggressively from every traffic light. Many drivers treat every green light like a drag race without realizing how much stress aggressive acceleration places on the drivetrain. Modern turbocharged automatic cars can produce huge amounts of torque instantly, especially at low RPM. That sudden torque shock travels through the transmission, drive shafts, differential, CV joints, and engine mounts. Repeated hard launches create excessive heat inside the transmission and accelerate clutch wear. High-performance vehicles often include launch control systems because manufacturers know uncontrolled launches can damage components over time. Tire wear also increases dramatically because aggressive launches create wheel spin and uneven tread wear. Professional chauffeurs and experienced long-distance drivers accelerate progressively because smooth driving improves reliability, passenger comfort, and fuel economy. In real-world traffic, aggressive launches rarely save meaningful time anyway. Smooth acceleration is one of the easiest ways to make an automatic car last longer. Number 5. Skipping transmission fluid changes. Here is a big one: ignoring transmission fluid changes. Many American drivers believe automatic transmission fluid is lifetime fluid, especially because some manufacturers don't emphasize service intervals. But here is the reality. Transmission fluid experiences extreme heat, pressure, and contamination over time. Inside the transmission, clutch materials slowly wear down and contaminate the fluid with microscopic particles. As fluid ages, it loses lubrication quality and cooling ability. According to transmission repair statistics, neglected fluid is one of the leading causes of premature transmission failure. Some mechanics report seeing completely black, burnt transmission fluid in vehicles with over 120,000 miles and zero maintenance history. Replacing fluid regularly can dramatically extend gearbox life and maintain smoother shifting. Many transmission specialists recommend fluid service every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on driving conditions, towing usage, and climate. Number 4. Driving aggressively when the engine is cold. Most engine and transmission wear happens during the first few minutes of driving. When the car is cold, transmission fluid is thicker and has not circulated fully. Aggressive acceleration during this phase increases friction and internal stress. Studies show that up to 70% of engine and transmission wear occurs during warm-up. Japanese cars are engineered for efficiency, but they still rely on proper warm-up behavior. Driving gently for the first 2 to 5 minutes allows fluid to reach optimal temperature and ensures proper lubrication. Ignoring this can lead to long-term wear that slowly reduces performance and lifespan. It's a simple habit, but one that separates smart drivers from careless ones. Number 3. Ignoring the parking brake on slopes. One of the worst habits automatic car drivers develop is relying entirely on the transmission when parking on hills and completely ignoring the parking brake. Many people assume that shifting into park is enough to hold the vehicle safely, but that's actually placing enormous stress on the transmission's parking pawl. This small metal locking mechanism was never designed to support the full weight of a vehicle on steep slopes every single day. Over time, this habit can cause excessive drivetrain tension, rough shifting out of park, and premature wear inside the transmission. Mechanics often hear customers complain that their shifter feels stuck after parking on hills, and the cause is usually improper parking habits. Professional drivers always apply the parking brake firmly before releasing the brake pedal because it transfers the vehicle's weight to the braking system instead of the gearbox. This simple habit not only protects the transmission, but also improves safety by reducing the risk of the car rolling unexpectedly. Number 2. Overusing creep function in traffic. Automatic cars naturally creep forward when you release the brake. Many drivers rely heavily on this in slow traffic instead of using proper throttle control. While it seems harmless, but excessive creeping generates constant microfriction inside the transmission. Over time, this leads to heat buildup and clutch wear. Studies suggest that heavy stop-and-go driving can increase transmission wear rates by up to 20%. Combine that with constant creeping, and the damage accelerates further. This is especially harmful in hot climates where cooling efficiency is already reduced. Long-term effects include delayed engagement and rough shifting. Repairs can cost $1,000 to $3,000. The professional way is use smooth throttle inputs instead of relying purely on creep. So the next time you drive your automatic car, remember this. Smooth driving is not just about comfort, it's about survival for your transmission. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because we post detailed automotive videos every week that can save you thousands in repair costs. And before you leave, comment below, which automatic driving mistake do you see people making the most? See you in the next video.